Hello, my name is Peter. I'm from 123 Sheets. I'm going to show you how to make a Landlord Quarterly ITSA MTD filing where you are using your own spreadsheet and not our bookkeeping spreadsheet. Okay, so we're on the Landlord's page. We're going to click on the demo button. We're going to be using the UK Landlord demo, and here you will see our to-do page. This to-do page will automatically be pre-populated from data that comes from HMRC. To see this information, all you'd need to do is to set up an account, put in your national insurance number, and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the software with HMRC. Then all of this information will pre-populate from HMRC, including any historical returns you might previously have filed, HMRC calculations, and so on. Okay, so let's go and do a quarterly submission. So we click on the File button, and in this example we're going to be using a UK non-holiday let, and we are going to be using the filing template of 123 Sheets. That means that you have your own bookkeeping spreadsheet and you are just transposing figures to our template filing worksheet. So we need to upload that PDF file, which we can either drag and drop here, or we can choose the file there. In this example, we're looking at somebody whose annual turnover or rental income is below 85,000, so we're going to tick that box. That means we can submit a single figure for all of the expenses altogether, and we don't need to separate them out into various expense categories. Okay, so let's go to the spreadsheet. So here we have our filing template. There's a nice big figure at the top telling us what the profit is that we're going to be sending to HMRC. In this example, we have inserted our filing template into the fictitious rental and expenses spreadsheet, but you can keep this worksheet as a separate spreadsheet as long as you're transposing the figures across. In order to transpose figures, all you need to do is to highlight a box, put an equal sign in there. So for example, in this case, rental income, go and find where your rent is. Either it's in a separate spreadsheet or it's in the same spreadsheet, and you highlight the total rent and then you press enter. And as I mentioned before, the turnover or rental income for the year is below 85,000, so we can put consolidated expense figure here for all the expenses and not have to use all these other boxes. So put an equal sign, we go to the expenses, we highlight the total expenses and click enter. The only thing you might need to do separately is residential finance costs, because they are treated differently for tax purposes, so you wouldn't want to include those in the consolidated expense figure. Okay, so we've got a profit figure here of 3,010, which we can see at the top as well. And you might potentially, in your own bookkeeping, want to do your own profit reconciliation just to make sure that what you're expecting our template to show actually matches the profit for the quarter of your bookkeeping file. Okay, so that's ready to go, so we can save that and close it. Then we go back to the website, and yeah, let's just put that file in here now. Let's go down to where it is, there it is there, and upload that, and we can see, yep, there's the profit we were expecting of £3,010, so I can tick the confirmation box and file and send that to HMRC. And that will then show up on the history tab. We thank you very much for watching, and we hope you enjoy our software. And please do feel free to go ahead and set up an account when it's possible to do so, and yeah, you'll be able to get going and submit your data to HMRC. Thanks very much.